Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to GKL vlog, and today I have bought something new from TikTok shop. Okay, alright. What I'm going to do today, and let's see. Okay. This one. Put that in. Where I bought it from. Okay, alright, and put it into that. Okay. And okay, it is what I did. I put some water on that and it's like that. Okay, I'm ready to eat right now. But I'm not ready to eat, but I have to wait for like 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, alright. Let's see. ASMR Mala HOTPOT. Wow. Oh, chicken wing, chicken wing. Perfect. Let's try the soup. It's hot. Okay, alright. So like this. Chicken, rice, and Mala HOTPOT. Alright guys, it's the end of the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for my channel for more videos. Okay. Alright, see you next video. Bye bye. အားလုံးပဲဒီဗီဒီယိုကြိုက်နေတဲ့ဆိုရင် like and subscribe နဲ့နေပါပဲအားလုံးပဲ bye bye. This is my really first time making mala hot pot. Wow, I'm so proud that by making it 1 hour.